Let me show you how to start using NordPass, a password manager that makes organizing and securing your logins simple and stress-free. We'll walk through downloading NordPass, installing the Chrome extension, and getting everything set up, so let's jump right in. First, head to the official Nord website. Type the address into your browser and press enter. Once the homepage loads, you'll find everything you need to safely download NordPass and get started. Next, look for the Login button in the top right corner and click it. If you already have an account, sign in. If you're new, you can create an account in just a few minutes. After signing in, open your account overview. This is your main dashboard where you can manage your services and access all available download links, including NordPass. Scroll down to the download section and find NordPass. We'll start by installing the Chrome extension since it's the fastest way to save and autofill passwords while you browse. Click on NordPass for Chrome. You'll be redirected to the Chrome Web Store. From there, click the Get Extension button, and Chrome will install it automatically. Once the extension is installed, you'll see the NordPass icon appear in your browser toolbar. Click it and sign into your account. This activates features like secure password storage, password generation, and one-click autofill. For the full experience, you can also download the desktop app from the same account dashboard. The desktop version adds features like secure notes, shared items, and password health checks, giving you more control over your security. After everything is installed, take a moment to explore your vault. Add your logins, review your password strength, and try out the autofill feature. Once you get used to it, managing passwords becomes much easier. And that's it. You're now fully set up with NordPass. If you want the best available deal, check the link below for 74% off plus 3 extra months free.